Hello everyone and welcome back to the Logik YouTube channel. Today we got a 2016 Land Rover in here. Customer states that his gas cap no longer opens whenever he pushes on it. Every time he goes to fill up at the pump, he's got to stick his card in there in order to get it open. On all the earlier models, well 2014 and earlier, they would sell a kit, which was this piece right here that you could just twist that and take it off and then replace that and it would solve the solution for you, no problem. But 2014 to 2022, they decided to change it to this little kit that you have to go directly to the dealer to get, and it's about $100. There's your part number for you right there, and that's what the piece looks like. And today we are going to be replacing this, and we decided to record it and show you. So let's go ahead and get into this.
So when we take a look to the new part, we can see that the new part is in place with this, has 2 clicks on the top and 2 clicks on the bottom. But you can see it's the same part. In order to get to those clips, you need to screwdriver and put it into the hole and put those clips down to release the new piece and slide it out. But if you can see, I don't know if you can see here, if I put the screwdriver through the hole, for much that I can push, I can go through it. So you need to break on the old piece, you need to break this little piece of plastic to get access to the clip in order to push it down. Now what we have to do is put the screwdriver through the hole, and because of what we are in the bottom part, we need to lift the clip, and with a plastic pry bar push the piece out. Do the same with the other one. Okay. Now we have the bottom part free. We're going to do the upper part with the same procedure. See? And just the other one. And it's out.
So right here, what we have is the new breather valve on top of this. So with the old breather valve, if you did want to replace it, you got it right here. And it goes all the way down there. If you wanted to replace it, you would have to remove the wheel, remove this side panel. You would have to remove the heat shield because it goes all the way up there behind the heat shield, and then fish the new one through. So for this one, we actually don't need to do it because this valve is still in great condition. So we're just not going to replace that. But if you do need to replace it, that is how you would do it.
Now, so to put in place a new part, the first thing you need to do is all these mechanisms, put it first, and then the old hose for the breather valve, you have to put it on the rubber and put it in place by pushing it. As you can see, it's already locked in place, and now all you have to do is put the new piece in place and push it until you hit the click, and then rearrange the hose, the rubber from the metal tube, and that's it.
All right, now for the last part, all we're gonna do is attach this cover and put the gas cap back onto the door, and we're all done.
to put the gas cap, took off the old one, just push it, and twist it, and then put it back. One thing you need to remember, when you put the gas cap back, you see the hole you have in this rubber, you have to make it match with the hole on the plastic base, because if you don't, you won't be able to close the door as you should. How to remove this? When you got the old piece, you can see where the mark is supposed to be like this. When you put it like this, you can notice you can have like a little hole right there, right? So you got a little screwdriver, you have like a clip there, you push that clip down, at the same time you push the cap forward, and that release the cap, and you have the cap to put it back on the new piece. To put it back, you have to follow the mark where it was before. As you can see from this side, you have to push it back and it's locked in place. So if you close it, see now. So that's it for replacing the gas cap. The gas is on.
All right, well, thank you guys for watching. We hope we were able to help someone out at least. You guys take care. So I guess we'll see you next time.